Hi all, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. In this channel you can find videos about different procedures where you can obtain certificate, license and other services for the citizen. It is useful. Please subscribe to our Wiki Procedure Info channel and help us to provide more such videos. In this video today we are going to see how to download or view birth certificate in Meghalaya. This page is from wikiprocedure.com and the highlighted link is provided in the description section of this video. Please make use of it because this procedure which is explained here has detailed step-by-step approach along with other details and valuable information and website links, external page links which will be useful for an applicant to complete this process in time. Let us see the apply online through central government CRS portal. Those who are willing to obtain the birth certificate from the CRS portal can use this link which is provided here. This will take you to the birth and death registration page of Indian government, wherein you can choose the login and click general public login option. You will reach this page where you can log in using the mobile number you have provided. Once you logged in, you will reach the dashboard page for applying. The applicant, once reaching the dashboard, will click on the birth menu option provided on the page and choose search birth register option. In the search page, you have to complete the prompts with appropriate details like name, date of birth, area and other relevant details to retrieve the birth certificate. Please click on the search button. After this, a new page with a list of birth certificate will be provided. Please click on the view button at the end of the row against the one which matches your requirement like name, area, date of birth and all other stuffs so that you can download and use it. Let us see how to apply through online using the state portal. The link which is provided here will take you to birth and death certificate download Shillong Cantonment Board page where you can click on the apply button. Before that, the steps involved are provided here, also the description. Please click on the apply button. You will reach a page where you can select the language of your choice and then hit the continue button, wherein you can enter the registered mobile number and hit the continue button. Those whose birth are registered and registered here can retry. After you hit the continue button, you will be prompted with a new page for entering the details. With respect to the mobile number provided, the birth certificate page will provide birth certificate list. The applicant can check and view the certificate which is listed. Also, the applicant can download the birth certificate by clicking the print button, and there is no fee for this. It is an instant process where you can retrieve the data by logging in because it is already a registered birth certificate which is there in the system. Let us see apply online through National Service Portal. National Service Portal link is provided here. Please click on the link so that you will reach the National Government Service Portal page. See here, there is a space provided for user to enter. Please enter birth certificate, the state name Meghalaya and hit on the search icon. You will get the result. With respect to the page displayed here, please select the page which is more close to your requirement and browse through the section for respective birth certificate, or you can provide name, mobile number, district, date of birth and retrieve respective birth certificate in that particular data and select the one which is close to you or it's required by you and use it. Let us see how to apply through CSC. CSC Citizen Service Centers are locatable through the link which is provided here. So you can select the state or select by selecting Meghalaya and then the district as per your choice and then the block. You will have the contact information provided underneath. So go to the CSC center, speak to the operator about your requirement, provide the details as per operator's advice and he will process and provide you the certificate. it is retrieved immediately. If there is any charge for this, the operator will advise you, please pay and obtain the receipt for the same. Required documents: a letter or a receipt which has the application reference number or an acknowledgement number will be required. Office location and contacts. The office location and contacts link provided here will take you to the corresponding website contact section page for user to make use of the contact information provided, which will be latest one or updated one, helpful for users. So this is how you can use it. Eligibility: any Indian citizen who intends to download or view birth certificate is eligible to make this application as long as the birth is already registered. Fees: to download or view the certificate, there is no fee for it. Processing time: it is immediate process. All these details which we saw just now are very much important for completing this procedure. Thank you once again for visiting Wiki Procedure Info channel to know how to download or view birth certificate in Meghalaya. Please subscribe to our Wiki Procedure Info channel and help us to provide more such videos. Thank you.